Hey, what's up guys? In this video we are gonna show you how to recover Gmail account without recovery email and phone number. In case if you have lost access to your Gmail account, either someone has hacked your Gmail account or you are facing two-step verification issue, still you can regain access to your Gmail account. First of all, you have to navigate Google app. Hold the Google app, tap on app information, tap on permissions, tap on location, tap on don't allow, tap on don't allow anyway. Minimize this one. Now you have to navigate Google Chrome browser. Hold the Google Chrome browser, tap on app information, tap on permissions, tap on location, tap on don't allow, tap on don't allow anyway. Now you have to go back and then here you will see the last option open by default. Tap on it and here you will see the last option clear defaults. Tap on it. Minimize this one. Now you have to open Google Play Store and you have to download and install Seek browser. After installation, open this browser and then here you have to open google.com and then tap on sign in. Now here you have to enter the Gmail account that you want to recover. And then tap on next. And then here Google will ask you to enter your password. So you have already forgotten your password, simply tap on forgot password. And then here Google will ask you about two-step verification. Either you have lost your phone or you don't have access to your phone number, simply tap on try another way. And then you will land here and here you will see this kind of error, could not sign you in. Now here you have to keep one thing in your mind, you don't have to tap on try again. If you will tap on try again and you will try again and again, your Google account will be locked. Simply minimize from here. Now you have to navigate the settings option from your phone. Tap on settings and you have to navigate the Google option. Tap on Google and then you will land here and here you will see Google services option. At the top right side you will see three dots. Tap on it and then here help option will appear. Tap on it and then you will land here. Here in the bottom you will see search help. Tap on it and here you have to type and then here this option will appear. Tap on it and then here you will see bunch of options. From here you have to select the last option, manage your Google settings. And then you will land here. Scroll down and then here you will see the option learn how to make your account more secure. Tap on this option. Scroll down and then here you will see the option remove risky access to your data. Tap on this option and then here you will see the last option learn how to manage apps with access to your account. Tap on this option. Scroll down and then here you will see the option learn the different Google account access type. Tap on this option. Scroll down and then here you will see the option learn how to use sign in with Google. Tap on this option. Scroll down and then here you will see the option learn more about how to recover your Google account or Gmail. Tap on this option. Scroll down and then here you will see follow these steps to avoid getting logged out of your Google account. Tap on this option. Scroll down and then here you will see the option get into your account with these tips. Tap on this option. Scroll down. And then here you will see the last option, Gmail security and privacy settings. Tap on this option. A pop-up notification will appear. From here you have to select Seek Browser. It will automatically redirect you to Seek Browser. And then here at the top left side you will see three lines. Tap on it. And then here you will see the Gmail option. Tap on it. Scroll down. And then here at the last you will see Help option. Tap on it. And then you will land here. Here you will see how can we help you. From here you have to select the second option, Google account. Tap on this option. Scroll down. And here you will see the account recovery section. From here you have to select the second last option, can't sign into your Google account. Tap on this option. And then here you will see can't sign into your Google account. Here you will see select the issue. Here you will see the first option, you forgot your password. In case if you have forgotten your Gmail account password, you have to select the first option. Second option, you forgot your username or the email address you used to sign in. If you have forgotten your Gmail account details, then you have to select the second option. Third option, you know your username and password but you can't sign in. If you know the details of your Gmail account but you can't sign in, you have to select the third option. Fourth option, you think someone else is using your account. In case if someone has hacked your Gmail account, then you have to select the fourth option. Fifth option, you are having trouble with two-step verification. If you are facing two-step verification issue, then you have to select the fifth option. So we'll select the fifth option. And then further here you will see bunch of options. From here you have to select the third option. You are not getting codes by text or phone call. Tap on this option. Scroll down. And then here you will see the option follow these steps to recover your account. Tap on this option. And then you will land here. Here you will see account recovery, recover your Google account. Now here you have to enter the Gmail account that you want to recover. And then tap on next. And then here success option will appear. Further you will see two options, change password, continue. Simply tap on change password. And then you will land here on password change dashboard. Now here you have to set a strong password. First of all you have to decide your new password. And then you have to confirm your new password. And then tap on change password. Here you can see changing password, your password was changed. Now quickly you have to go to security and you have to update your mobile number and recovery email so the hacker cannot recover your account again. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel for more useful videos.